Hey everyone. So Monday night I had a request to do an open cup drag, I guess is what I would be doing. But I didn't have time to do it and I need to get it done. So I just cut the bottom off of one of my cups and I'm going to place it on the canvas right about here. And I'm going to be using just three colors, black gold and Soho manganese blue. Craft Smart gold, or I'm sorry, Craft Smart champagne pearl instead of gold. So I'm just going to be adding little bits of color and then we'll just drag it. So I will start with the champagne and some black and the manganese. Back to the champagne and some black. And I'll probably be airbrushing this out because I have a feeling it's going to be like a flip and drag. But we'll see. Alright, so I don't have to worry about poking any holes or anything because it's already wide open. But I do want to see if I can swirl a little bit in there. Just so it doesn't all come out one color at a time. Alright, so we're just going to drag it around. Oh, gotta be careful with these. Because I'm already running out of color. So I'm gonna go back and grab it and bring it. And yes, I am scraping the canvas because this is totally different than what I'm used to. Not saying I don't like it though. So let me move it around now and see if we can fill up those spots that I hid the canvas. And we will be bringing it back down, so I really love how that's stretching out there on the end. It's pretty. It's ethereal. Reminds me of Anne Osborne's early works. She did a lot of ethereal paintings. That's one of the reasons I fell in love with her work. If you haven't checked her out yet, go watch her. She's fun to watch. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to airbrush this out a little bit. But it is really pretty. That champagne pearl in there is beautiful. I just want to go in and tap that spot though. It's a little low. I mean, I don't see the canvas, but I don't see a lot of paint there either. Maybe it's just the way I'm looking at it because it's fine. You do know. So let's just blow out a little bit here and there. It's a little bit different than a flip and drag. I use a little more paint than I normally do. And I get a little bit different look too. But I think just doing a flip and drag, you pretty much, if you used a lot more paint, you pretty much get this. don't mind that going over. It kind of looks cool. Yeah, that's pretty. I don't see anything else I want to, well, maybe right here. It's not cooperating. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Let me give that a quick torch. Getting some new cells as I torch. But it's pretty. Let me bring it up to show you. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Join our group on Facebook as well. Shop with us on Amazon and Etsy and Redbubble. We have a fan mail box if you want to send us a gadget to try, or just a card or letter, that's fine too. And don't forget our auction Sunday. But you may be seeing this after the auction. Not sure. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.